moving forward with God in 2026 and beyond. Actually, ang ito na ako muna na step by step, moving forward. Kaya lang, aram nyo minsan, usad na presidente sa Amerika, si Harry Truman, sabi niya, ang pag-move forward, hindi lang sa paglatak. It's not just by stepping forward. Sabi niya, kung hindi ka makalaka, kaya natumba ka, halang lamang. Pauna, sabi niya, move forward by running. Dalagan ka, abanti. Mas madali, mas matuloy. But there are times that you cannot run, and you just step by step moving forward. Hinahinay, basta tanunan. But sometimes, even stepping forward is very difficult. Kasi natumba ka. But even if you fall down, you crawl. Magdamag ka as long as you move forward. Ang importante daw nagabanti ka. And this is a message of the Lord for us this morning. Bahagi ko nga sa New Year kay January 11. Magtanugay na, no? Magtanugay na. But this message is for 2026 and beyond. Moving forward with God in 2026 and beyond. Let us pray. Lord, speak to us this morning.